Hi there, I'm Luke. Welcome back to Photobyte, and today we're checking out the new Samsung Note 9. So let's get into it. So the Note 9 is Samsung's new phone in their range, and we have to say we're very impressed with the camera specs. They are very similar to the S9, so we'll dive into the similarities and then we'll go through the differences. So the similarities, they both are rocking the dual lens system, so that means they've got two cameras. What you now see in the Note 9 is the dual aperture that we saw in the S9, which we were very impressed with. You're still looking at the same apertures at 1.5 to 2.4, so you can really open up that aperture, get a bit more depth of field, as well as improving your low light capabilities. When it comes to auto, where you would normally see the food sign under the Samsung S9, it now is on auto, and what it does is it can actually pick up on 20 different scenes. So you can go from greenery to people to pets to food, whatever it is, it'll pick up on it and it will adjust the settings accordingly to make sure you get the best image. You now have the S Pen, which has a built-in battery, which means you can actually use it as a remote to take pictures. So when you're navigating through the menu, you can hold down when you've got the phone open and it'll open up the camera app. You can double tap to switch between front and rear facing. As well as that, you can press the button and it will take a picture. So when it comes to getting a group shot, you can always just put it away in a corner, get everyone huddled in a group, and then just press the pen. We did also test out the range and we're very impressed with how well it works. Even from the other end of a fairly big size room, it worked perfectly fine with no interference. When it comes to video, you're now getting your super slow-mo at 960 frames a second, which is what we saw in the S9. As well as that, you also get 480 frames a second. To break down the 960 frames per second, it only records 0.2 seconds, but when you play it back through the slow-mo, that works out to be about 6 seconds, which is incredible. And with the 480 frames per second, that'll record 0.4 seconds and it will play it over 12 seconds. So it's nice to see that Samsung have kept that going. We look forward to when they bring out 1,000 frames per second or more, but until then we're very happy with the specs that we've got. So that's our overview on the Samsung Note 9. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And as always, my name's Luke, this is Photobyte, and we'll see you next time.